In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect XM Broker to TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to streamline your charting experience or a beginner eager to leverage TradingView's powerful tools, this step-by-step guide will help you establish the connection you need. To begin, navigate to the TradingView platform and open a charting window. Here, you'll have access to a wide array of charting tools and features that can enhance your trading strategies. Once you're on the chart page, direct your attention to the top right section of the screen where you'll find a drop-down arrow. Clicking this arrow is your gateway to connecting your broker with TradingView. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in XM Trading. You might notice a slight hiccup here. XM Trading doesn't appear in the list as a direct option to connect within TradingView. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround to this limitation. Next, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type xm.com and hit enter. You'll see XM's official website listed in the search results. Click on this link to proceed. Once you're on the XM website, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Here's the interesting part. Once you've logged in, you'll find that XM and TradingView have already been integrated. The charts displayed on XM are powered by TradingView, meaning you have immediate access to TradingView's charting capabilities seamlessly within the XM platform. This way, you're essentially able to enjoy TradingView's advanced charting and analysis tools while executing trades on XM, ensuring you have the best of both worlds without needing a direct TradingView link. To recap, while you can't directly connect XM Broker from within TradingView's platform, accessing TradingView's robust features through XM's website is a nifty alternative. This integration allows you to benefit from TradingView's sophisticated tools while trading with XM's reliable broker services. And there you have it, a straightforward method for achieving a connection between XM Broker and TradingView. Whether you're making trades or analyzing market trends, this integration brings a wealth of functionalities and insights right to your fingertips, all without the need for complicated setups or third-party plugins. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with more trading insights and tips. Until next time, happy trading.